This week marks 18 months since COVID-19 first turned up in our area, a year and a half ago. 1,398 people in Monroe County have died from the virus since. And in the effort to prevent more deaths, the state has mandated healthcare workers get vaccinated. That's prompted regular protests outside Strong Memorial Hospital, including one today. This while local experts say after more than a year of observation and data, it's clear the vaccines are safe and effective. Christian Garzone joins us now live outside Strong with more on all this. Christian.
Well, Adam, a few hundred people here today saying this is above all about choice. They were also hoping to knock down that mandate. Otherwise, they say we could be looking at a bunch of essential workers out of work next week, fired. But again, doctors stating the science behind the shot and reminding all the vaccine is here to protect all of us. Hundreds today gathering in front of Strong, demanding an option when it comes to the COVID-19 vaccine. Here's RN Mearle McDonald.
All we want is a choice to either have the vaccine or not have it.
City Councilman Jose Pio says they're also fighting against the mandate for healthcare workers to get the shot. By next week, he says some essential healthcare workers across the state could be out of a job.
We have freedoms to be able to choose what goes in or out of our body. Here we are where we're not allowing that.
When it comes to the vaccine, Dr. Michael Pekikaro with Rochester Regional Health says at some hospitals, beds are filling up, in particular pediatric wings. The vaccine, he says, a deterrent to prevent the worst possible outcome.
But what if it's your child who has the really bad infection, who ends up on a ventilator, who ends up in the hospital, or who dies? For me, that's too big of a risk.
Dr. Jennifer Nyack with WROC says trials for the vaccine focused above all on the safety of the shot.
No evidence in any of the adult studies, any of the studies in teens, or in the studies, the data thus far that I've seen from the 5 to 11-year-olds of long-lasting negative effects from this vaccination.
But those like McDonald are still skeptical. She says if the mandate goes through, she and up to 30% of fellow workers in our area hospitals might not be employed next week.
They're canceling surgeries because they're not going to have enough people to take care of.
And demonstrators say they'll be back here next week to protest again. In Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, right back to you.